हे गाइस, सो वेलकम बैक टू माय अनदर वीडियो। एक बार फिर से आप सभी का स्वागत है आपके अपने एसपीएस कार चैनल पे, जहां पे मैं लेकर आता हूं आप सभी के लिए बेहतरीन कार्स एंड बाइक रिव्यूज, कंपैरिजन वीडियोस एंड आल्सो कुछ ऑटो वर्ल्ड अपडेट। So today we will talk about this beast, the Toyota Fortuner facelift. I will tell you the 5 things to note about this Fortuner, and these are the 5 things that becomes the reason why people are so crazy for it and it is so popular in India. So before starting the video, I want to say something that this car has been provided to us by commercial Toyota. So their contact number is visible on the screen and also in the description. If you want to purchase any Toyota car, so you can contact them immediately, and also the WhatsApp number is also visible on the screen. That is SPS Cars WhatsApp number. अगर कोई भी डाउट हो किसी भी कार को लेकर या कुछ भी क्वेश्चन हो, if you have any doubt related any car, any bike, so you can send us your doubt on the given number. We will clear out that doubt. Now let's begin our video and let's talk about this Toyota Fortuner facelift. So guys, the very first point is the resale value of this Toyota Fortuner facelift. So talking about the resale value, it is very high for this Toyota Fortuner. Since it launched 2009 till now, it is reigning in its segment. There is no rival of this car. Talking about the resale value, you will get a better price. And if we talk about the resale value, so let me tell you one thing, that today the 9-year-old Toyota Fortuner and 1 lakh kilometer driven car cost you 15 lakh rupees. So you can think how much resale value it will have. So this is what you will get. Very higher resale value has been provided to this car and becomes the reason why people used to purchase this Fortuner. Now let's talk about the second point of this car. So the second point is the lower maintenance cost of the Toyota Fortuner. So this is the biggest reason why people used to purchase this car. Talking about the lower maintenance, so let me tell you one thing, that this is a car with all the features you want, and a punchy and a pushing and powerful engine has been also provided with a lower maintenance cost. Well, Toyota Kirloskar Motor have provided it a better engine with lower maintenance. So this is what people used to look in this car. And this is the reason why people used to go for Toyota Fortuner in comparison to its rival. So let me tell you the maintenance cost of this car. So this prices you about the price of this car, let me tell you, it is 40 lakhs. This variant costs you 40 lakhs rupees, and people used to become so scared when it comes to maintain your car. So there is no need to be scared in this car. This is a stress buster, because you need to just spend around 10,000 rupees to maintain this beauty, to maintain this car, and also there is no need for an extra care of the Fortuner facelift. So this is what you need, guys. This is what requires in a car. No extra care, only 10,000 rupees you need to spend in a year. So this is what you need, guys. So lower maintenance cost is a big reason why Indians go for Toyota Fortuner. Well, Toyota Kirloskar Motor have provided the Fortuner a supremely high build quality. Why I'm saying like this, I will tell you just in a moment, but let me first tell you something about this Fortuner. So you will get the best build quality in this car, and look at this car here. You will get the best build quality, and if you want to check the build quality of this car, all you need to do is just try to open the hood of this car, because it's supremely heavy, and my god, this is too heavy, and you need to put lots of effort to handle this single-handedly. So this is what, if you don't join the gym, please wake up early in the morning, and if you have the Fortuner, so do 10 times like this and you will get massive muscles, you will get a powerful hand also, you will transform into Hulk if you try this. So let me close this, and here is the build quality. So it is too heavy. I will close it later on. Let me tell you. So you will better understand what is the build quality of this car, because it is too good, my god, too good. Now let's close this baby. So here it is. Now let's talk about the fourth point. So guys, the fourth point is the engine durability and reliability. The Fortuner is the one in which you will get a powerful, punchy, pushing engine. 2.7 liter and 2.8 liter option has been provided to this car. And talking about the functioning, so it is so better. And talking about the reliability and durability, so Toyota Kirloskar Motor work on quality, durability and reliability QDR, that you will get the same thing, quality, durability and reliability in this car. That is the reason why it is so reliable car to purchase, and also that is the reason why a 9-year-old Toyota Fortuner costs you, and also 1 lakh kilometer driven car will cost you about 15 lakh rupees, still 15 lakh rupees. So you can look at the resale and this reliability. You can compare them both. You will get to know how much reliable is the engine is and how much durable is this car. That's all for the third point. It's too enough to talk about the engine. It's too enough to talk about this point. The fifth is very important point, and I will tell you in detail about that. So let's talk about the fifth point. Toyota Fortuner facelift. Okay, when I have attended the unveiling or the launch event of this car, so I have noticed that many of the people have complained to Toyota Kirloskar Motor that why you haven't provided the sunroof, why you haven't provided the features that has been provided in today's cars like its rivals. But let me clear out those people who are in 49% because about 51% of the stakeholder in its segment is the Toyota Fortuner, and the remaining 49%, let me clear to them that Toyota Fortuner is a car in which you will get features, lots of features, and a durable and reliable engine, and that is why it is so premium and it is so highly priced up. That is the reason, because with the engine you will get many more features, ventilated seats and lots of features, and it becomes a very big reason why it costs too much. And in its rival you will just get what? You will get just features, not that reliable engine, not that build quality. Where is the build quality and where is that durable engine? Because look at the resale, look at the previous 4 points what I have that I have told you. Please listen to them also and read them those points, so you will better understand that why Toyota Fortuner costs you more, and Toyota Fortuner is the better car to purchase in comparison to its rival. And also let me clear out all those people who are in 49% of the rest of the cars also. So let me tell you that no one is better than this, because in its rival you will get just 2.2 liter option for engine, but in this you will get a massive engine of 2.8 liter. So this is what matters, this is what you need. So this is the Toyota Fortuner facelift, and if you are thinking to purchase this beauty, no doubt go for it, because this is the best you need. Comfort is fully in this car. Pricing 29.25 lakhs to 37.53 lakhs. Average ex-showroom price New Delhi. Talking about the features, you will get this look with many modern features: ventilated seats, electrically adjustable seats. Talking about suspension, double wishbone suspension at the rear, folding with coil spring suspension, made it better in the comfort, and with the class you will get the best. Talking about tires, you will get 17 inches and 18 inches option in the tire, and the best part, if you need something like this for off-roading, definitely go for this, because you will get all that feature that requires for off-roading with a car. So in this Fortuner you will get all those features. So guys, this was the 5 points you need to understand for this Fortuner. You need to know about this Fortuner, and also this is the 5 reasons why Indians like this car and go for this massive beauty. So guys, this was my video, and if you like this video, click on the like button and share this video to all your friends, so that if they are in 49%, they will also become the 51% person by purchasing this car. And if you like this video and if you have shared this video, so please click on the red subscribe button and press the bell icon if you want more videos on Toyota Fortuner, and if you want more videos on any of the car and bike. So thanks for watching this video guys. Let me end this video with special thanks to Commercial Toyota and Vivek Bhaiya that he had provided me this beast, this massive Fortuner and my dream car too. So thanks for watching this video. मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में. आज की वीडियो में बस इतना ही. Till then, goodbye.